And welcome to my YouTube channel IT Lab Genius. In today's session, we are taking Excel Chapter 4 Simulation Exam. I will guide you through this exam step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your exam by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes, or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. Let's start our exam to solve step by step. Freeze the top row of the worksheet. Okay. Click on freeze pane and unfreeze the top row. Click on freeze pane and unfreeze pane. Okay, it's done now. Question number 2 is that click cell B4 and freeze the pens above the fit. Okay, and B4 and then go to view tab and then freeze pane and freeze pane. Okay, question is completed now. Now next question is that display the worksheet in page break preview. Click on view tab and click on page break preview. Okay, insert a page break preview and 39 and 40, row 39 and 40. Okay, scroll down 39, click on 39 and row 40 and click on page break preview and okay, go to page layout, go to breaks and insert page break. Okay, insert a page break between 39 and 40. Okay, break and insert page break. Click on break and insert page break. Okay, it's done now. Question is completed out. Now question number 3 is that set range A3 to G12 as the print area. First we will select this range and then go to page layout and then click on print area. Okay, first we select this range. Okay, and then okay, A3G12. Okay, and then click on page layout and click on print area, set print area. Okay, okay, select this range, print area, change the scaling to 90%. Okay, so you can change the scaling 90%, then clear the print area. Okay, clear the print area. Question is completed now. Select rows 1 to 3 as title to repeat on each page. First we will select this row. Okay, go to page layout, go to page setup. Okay, rows to repeat rows 1 to 3. It's done now, and then press OK. Okay, select column A and title to repeat each page. Look at the first 3 pages in print preview and then print the worksheet. Okay, you can select this page setup. You can column to repeat or left. You can select this as 3 pages insert preview, then print area, column to repeat on, then press OK. Scroll down. Okay, you can set this. Okay, question is completed now. With cell A3 selected, create a table from the existing data accepting the default setting. With cell A3 selected, you can select first cell A3 and then okay, on the table design tab, group click to name tab. You can change the name of table. Download Emporium. Okay, you can change the name of table is download Emporium. Okay, and then press enter. You can select this, change the name of table, download Emporium. Download Emporium. EMPLORIM. EMPLORIUM. Then press enter. Okay, question is completed now. Now next question is question 6. Delete the writer table column from the table only. Delete the writer table. Click on column. Okay. Tab donate in cell H3. Okay, click on cell H3 and tab donate. in formula bar donate. Okay, then press enter. Tap profit and cell I3. Click on cell I3 and tap profit. Okay, question is completed now. Now next question is question number 7. Add a new table row on row 30. Add a new table row on row 30. Okay, click on row 30. Right click on this and then insert row. Tap pi in the sky in cell A30 and tap PG in cell P30 V30. Okay, pi in the sky in cell A30 and PG in cell V30 in the press tab. Okay, tap garbage man in cell A59 and tap R in cell B59. Click on cell A59, then we will have to tap this garbage man here. You can tap garbage man in cell A59. Okay, and tap R in cell B59. Click on cell B59, tap R, and the question is completed now. Next question is that remove duplicates record in the table, accept the default setting in the remove duplicates dialog box. Click on table design, click on remove duplicates. Okay, select all and then press OK. 2 duplicates value found and remove 54 unique value remain. Then press OK. Okay, question is completed now. Now question number 9 is that apply red table style medium tan to the table. Click on table and click on table design and apply red table style medium tan. Red table style medium tan. Okay, you can apply this question is completed now. Now next question is that in cell H4 calculate the donation amount by multiplying by the streaming revenue amount by percentage in cell I1 using absolute reference as needed. Click on cell H4 and then you can apply enter a formula streaming revenue multiplying by percentage in cell I1. Okay, then press enter, it will be shown values here. In cell I4, calculate the profit by subtracting the donate from the streaming revenue. You can enter a formula here is equal to okay donation and streaming revenue minus donation. Okay, it will be shown value here. Question is completed now. Now next question is that show the total rows, select the sum function for the donation and profit columns. Click on total row and then you can scroll down this table and select the sum function for the donation and profit column. Okay, here you can click on donation column and then you can click on sum. Okay, sum function of question is completed now. Now next question is that sort the table by drag enter in alphabetical order. Sort the table is director in alphabetical. Click on okay sort and filter streaming revenue from the largest to smaller. Okay, sort some largest to smallest. Okay, question is completed now. Now next question is that sort the table to genre in alphabetical order. Click on genre and then alphabetical A to Z alphabetical. Okay, use the sort dialog box and add second level sort by director in alphabetical order and then third level sort by stream revenues from the largest to smallest. Okay, sort and filter first genre and then second is that director and third level is that okay, you can see third level is that streaming revenues. Okay, largest to smallest, then press OK. Question is completed now. You can see here. Now change the order for the genre sort level to the following custom list: comedy, dramas, adventures, horror, foreign. Okay, click on sort and filter, sort level. Okay, change the order from the genre sort levels. Okay, click on genre column and then click on sort, go home tab and go to sort and filter. Okay, then add level. Add level is that custom list, then list entire is comedy, dramas, adventure, horror, foreign. You can type here all this list or copy and paste here all this list: dramas, adventure, horror, and foreign. Okay, then press okay, then add and then press OK and then press again OK. Okay, question is completed now. Question done. Oh, now 15 questions are set filter display record for which the rating is PG-13 only. Set filter to display the record. Okay, so click on here, then select PG-13 only. Okay, without clearing the existing filter, set a filter display record which select all and then genre. Okay, its question is completed now. Select the range G4 to G20 and look at the status bar status to see PG-13 comedy earlier $954 for the month with 7 films. Okay, then set a number filter display record where revenue is greater than to equal to 125. You can contact me for your assignment, exam or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my screen. Okay, click on streaming revenue column, select streaming revenue column and then sort and filter. Okay, custom auto filter. Okay, is greater than or is equal to 125. Okay, it's done now. Set a filter display the release dates between 1/1/2015 and 7/31/2015. Okay, set a filter display release dates between. Okay, select this column and sort and filter and then right click on this and then custom auto filter is 1/1/2015 and before is equal to okay 7/31/2015 and then press OK, then press OK. Okay, question is completed now. Apply condition of formatting that highlights cells containing PG-13. Okay, select this column B and then go to home tab and then click on condition of formatting. Okay, go to home tab and then press condition of formatting and then text that contains PG-13 and then press OK. Question is completed now. Okay, I have done 20 questions of this exam. For remaining question or you want to deal for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. You can contact me easily through my WhatsApp and email. I can do all courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, access and many more courses. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and best of luck. Thank you so much.